Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where today we are going to be listing the top 5 best juicers in the market for 2017. I made this list based on my personal opinion and they are listed in no particular order, so you will still have to choose one of these 5 to purchase for your house. You can find links to all these juicers down in the description and the comment section below, so if you want to find out prices and more information about them, you can go check them out. Okay, so let's start with the video. At number 5 we have the 10Best Solo Star 4. The versatile 10Best Solo Star efficiently juices greens, soft fruit and hot vegetables. It's one of the slowest juices available, which means less foam and more nutrients, and even more juice than the competition. It is constructed with an efficient drive system that produces more power while using minimal electricity. It's a pretty good juicer which offers a lot of value for the price it has, and I recommend it to people that are looking for a juicer that will last them for a long time, and that will get the job done without breaking every week in the middle of making a juice. The only downside I have noticed on the juicer is that the cleaning process, because it might be a bit harder to clean compared to the other juicers in this category, but otherwise it's a great juicer and it's definitely worth it. Moving on at number 4 we have the Breville RM-BJE430SIL. This juice extractor is a simple and easy way to make great juice. It comes with a single speed operation, so there is no guessing on how to properly process your fruits and vegetables. All you have to do is turn on the switch, put your fruits and vegetables through the machine and it will do the rest. It has a large 3-inch chute which will allow you to feed it almost any size fruit. Unlike the 10Best Solo Star 4, this Breville juicer is very easy to clean and all of its components are dishwasher safe, so you don't have to waste time washing it yourself. Overall, it's amazing, and if you are looking for a simple, straightforward juicer, then this product is the great option for you. Moving on at number 3 we have the Omega J8006. The Omega J8006 is a Mexican style juicer, which means that you will get the maximum amount of juice from your leafy greens, veggies, fruits or wheatgrass. It is a low speed juicer which processes at the rate of 18 rotations per minute, so that means that while juicing, the healthy enzymes and nutrients won't get destroyed in the process. Aside from being a juicer, this appliance can also be used to make baby food, nut butters, grind coffee and even mince herbs. It has a lot of things I love about this juicer. It's very quiet, it doesn't produce foam in the juice, it's economical and efficient, and it's a multi-purpose juicer, so what more can you ask for in a juicer? The best part is that it comes with an affordable price tag, so I would say it is definitely worth it. At number 2 we have the Breville RM-BJE430SIL. Breville is one of the most respected brands in the centrifugal juicer market. The brand is known for making durable, efficient and powerful juicers, and this Breville Juice Fountain Gold is a great example of this. It's an 850 watt centrifugal juicer, which means it still chomps through most product quickly and easily. However, it has the cold spin technology which allows more vitamins, minerals and enzymes to be retained. It has a super-sized 70 ounces juice jug, which means you can make lots of juice at once. If you're someone who likes to make a few days worth of juice, or if you're juicing for the whole family, then this machine might be a great addition to your kitchen. Breville is an amazing brand and they never fail to impress, and this is the case with this product. So I would definitely recommend it for you. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the 10Best Slow Star. If you've been looking for a quality juicer with more versatility than just a juicer, then the 10Best Slow Star SW2000 2-in-1 juicer and mincer will probably fit your needs. This sleek and elegant juicer has unique qualities that make it stand out in the market of many different juicer brands. It has a very elegant design with a fashionable black and red finish which will make your kitchen look really good. It features the 3-part gear reduction ratio to increase the amount of torque so that the motor is equivalent to 9 horsepower, and in the world of juicers that is a lot of power. The 10Best Slow Star turns at 47 RPM, which is perfect for retaining nutrients, vitamins and reduce oxidation. It's easy to use, it's durable and easy to clean overall, so this juicer is amazing and I would recommend it to anyone that is looking for a long-lasting and great juicer. Thanks for watching guys, you can find links to the juicers in the description and the comment section below, so if you want to find out more about them you can go check them out, and if you have any questions about them leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.